Hey, so I have actually tried my hand at something new. I made a Gucci jacket and hat and a Fendi top. So if you are interested in hearing all about that, please stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Holly. This is Hollywood Wear. I appreciate you joining me today. I have a quick video today. I had actually used a couple of patterns and I wanted to go over that with you. So if you are new, welcome. Thank you for joining me. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. Here at Hollywood Wear, we go through a wide realm of things. I am a sewist, a fashion enthusiast, so everything here is going to be fashion related. Most of the time it's going to be on a budget, some way where I can save money. I'm always about that, but I always want to look classy in doing so. So if if you're interested in bag reviews or shoe reviews or pattern hauls or fabric hauls or how I put together outfits, what's trending, how we can actually make something that's trending now, put it together with something I bought, something I made, then make sure that you subscribe below, put that thumbs up notification, thumbs up if you like this video, notification bell if you are wanting to see my weekly videos. That way you don't miss a thing. You can always come back and see what else I have new for you. So today I am going to be presenting, so I used a couple of patterns, and how this first started, I had got a Gucci scarf that I was not interested in having it as a scarf. I thought to myself, I'm going to actually use this in another way that is better, that I'm going to get more use out of it. So I actually converted it into a hat. Now remember, my favorite hat pattern is Simplicity 9368. Okay, so as you can see, this is my favorite one. And if you remember, I did the C, and I did C before in this hat. I don't know what the hat is called. I still have not been able to discover what kind of hat it is. But anyway, it's my favorite hat. I love it. So I decided that I love the hat so much, I wanted to do it again, but I wanted to use the Gucci scarf that I had and convert it to something that I can use on a regular basis. So I actually took the scarf, used it as fabric, and made this hat. So I was able to make use of it. It was great because it was two-toned on both sides. So then I was able to split it and make it so that the whole hat is like a two-tone, as you can see. So that was great. And then I also had enough fabric that I was able to use it for my jacket. Now, if you remember, I think I had showed this in the video before in my capsule wardrobe video. If you are interested in that video, I will link that below. But in the capsule wardrobe video, I used the Simplicity 8177 pattern, and that jacket that was in that video, I actually used a knit, and I did the front facing. I used the rest of the Gucci scarf. So as you can see here, I was able to have the coordinating hat and the jacket, put it together in a whole outfit. I had on jeans in this outfit. I actually made this bodysuit from another pattern in Simplicity 8513. So this was the bodysuit pattern, and so I used the bodysuit pattern. I made D. So as you can see, D is the one that I used with the turtleneck one, and so then I'll put that back up. So again, I used that. So the bodysuit was made from that pattern, and then I had the jacket from the other Simplicity pattern, and then I had the hat. So I had the whole outfit. It came out wonderful. I loved it very much. I love that jacket. It's very versatile. I like that jacket because you can throw that on with anything. You know, a turtleneck, it looks great with turtlenecks. I don't know what it is about that jacket, but it just looks great with turtlenecks. And then you just, I feel like if I was to buy a Gucci jacket and a hat, oh my goodness, over $1,000 easy. And just taking the scarf and using it as fabric to be able to repurpose it. You know, we want to do a lot more as far as saving the environment, being more conscious of what we're using. You're not using something, repurpose it for something else. So being able to repurpose that scarf and use it for a hat and jacket that I can get way more use out of, wonderful, wonderful. All right, next, the other thing that I'm wearing, I had got a Fendi scarf and I used it. It was a 34 by 34 scarf. So you keep in mind, think about it, 34 by 34, that's like almost a yard of fabric, okay? That can be used in some other way. You know, because a scarf, you could put it on your head, put it maybe on a bag or something like that. But I felt like it would be better used for a top. So that's what I'm wearing today. That is my outfit of the day. I am wearing a top from the pattern Vogue 1486. Okay, this pattern here. I have not made the skirt yet, but this is the top. I love this top. Love it. I like the exposed back with the zipper, and so as you can see, I was able to position it and have the Fendi logo there in the front, and then the tagging in the back as well. And then I had some leftover, and I was able to make this headband here. And so as you can see, it has the, I was able to multi-use the Fendi tag, just like I did with the Gucci, multi-use that tag and put it on. Again, this top, I love it. I'm gonna make another one. I'm probably gonna get some more, make some more just different fabrics, because I really do like it. It is a cropped top, keep that in mind. But when you are wearing it like I did with like a high waist pant, then you can't even see it. If you do want to wear it as a crop, maybe like in the springtime or something like that, then that's not a problem. You can do that as well. But I just really like the way it fits. I did it in a size, I did the size 16. So that, I mean, you know, and it has a lot of room. I really love this top. And the way that it came out, I'm just very impressed. And as you can see, it has the Fendi logo here on the front with the matching headband. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna do more of those because it really worked out to the way that I liked it. So look out for that. If I get some more, I'm going to be making some more designer items. If you know, I always put them on you may have seen it on my Instagram. I show them on my Instagram all the time. But we'll see what else I have up my sleeve as far as more designer outfits. So I just wanted to come on here real quick to show you that, so that you can see what I have been working on. So thank you very much for joining me today, and you guys have a great rest of your day. Mwah.